Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup of your WhatsApp chats on Doogee Blade 20 Max. Okay, so simply open up your WhatsApp. Now click on those three dots in the top right corner and now find the settings. Now tap on chats, scroll down a little bit and click on chat backup. Okay, let's begin with Google account. Simply tap on it. And in my case, currently this Google account is selected, and on that account, in the cloud of it, our backup will be saved and stored. So for example, if you want to restore your backup later in the future, you'll need to be signed in into the same Google account that you have selected right now during the backup process. Of course, if you want, you can add another account. Simply tap add account and sign in into different Google account. Down below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly this option is turned off. In my case, as you take a look, I put it only monthly, and now simply the backup will be automatically made each month and I don't need to do this manually. That's pretty cool and convenient feature. So if you want, you can pick between those possible options on the screen. For example, you can select weekly. In my case, I'll stick to monthly. Down below, let's make sure that include videos function is enabled, so our videos will be also backupped. And on the bottom, we have an extra security feature, end-to-end encrypted backup. It's not necessary to turn it on, but if you'd like to, in here you'll be able to create a unique password that you'll need to type in the future if you want to restore your backup. But be aware that if you create that password and when you forget it, you won't be able to restore anything and everything will be lost. So if you choose to create it, simply don't forget it. But just like I'm saying, it's not necessary to create it. Also, make sure that you have some free Google storage space. You can see it right in here. If you don't have enough, you just need to tap and click on clear storage. And now to create a backup, hit this green button to start the process. In my case, it won't take long because I don't have many messages. Okay, the process is finished. As you take a look on the last backup, we can see current hour. It's the same, so it's confirmation that everything went successfully. Down below we can also see the size of our backup. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.